everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make this Nutella Christmas tree bread. Keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make this. First thing we need to do is start off with a baking sheet that's lined with some foil or some non-stick paper. And we're going to need 2 packages of this crescent dough. I like to use the ones like this that's not perforated, and it comes in a full sheet. You can also use puff pastry if you're in that part of the world where you can get that. First, we're going to spray our cooking sheet with some cooking spray. And just roll this dough out long ways like that. Now we're going to cut this in the shape of a Christmas tree. I'm just doing this freehand, so just start somewhere in the middle here. Next, I've softened up some Nutella in the microwave about 10 or 15 seconds just to make it a little easier to spread. Now spread on the Nutella. And when that's all done, we're going to take our other package, open that up, and just cover it up with the other package. Press it in, and you should see the outline of the Christmas tree. Now to trim the excess, I'm going to use a pizza cutter. I just find it a lot easier to cut. Now that that's done, we're going to cut strips into this about a ½ inch in thickness. But don't go all the way through. Now that that's done, we're just going to twist these about 2 twists for each one. Take these and we want to twist it 2 times for each one. Next, we want to prepare an egg wash to spread all over top of our bread. And to do that, I just have a separate little bowl here. Put an egg in there. I just add a little bit of water to it and then beat the egg. Now just spread your egg wash all over the bread. Now we're just going to bake this in the oven about 15 minutes at 350. And after 15 minutes, it should look like this, nice and golden brown. Let it cool down completely. And now it's time for the taste test. All we gotta do is tear off a piece and give it a try. This is delicious. You can add powdered sugar to it and it'll give it a little more flavor. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this Nutella Christmas tree bread. It was a lot of fun making it. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. You get new videos all the time. Check out this video right here. And until then, I'll see you next time. Of these lined with some of this crescent dough, Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this red subscribe button and you get new videos every week. No. Christmas bread? No.